Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m cubed plus m is equals to 350 and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we find all the roots of this equation. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. The very first thing we are going to do is first we need to focus into the right hand side, and in the right hand side you see here this is 350, and we write 350 as in this form, 343 plus 7. We break 350 in the form of 343 plus 7. Further, you see here we need to make the prime factors of 343, and we know about that the prime factors of 343 are 7 cubed plus 7. And further, in the next step, we need to move both terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and here we make the pair of m cubed with 7 cubed, and we make the pair of m with the 7. So here first we move the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes, this is positive term becomes negative 7 cubed, this is positive 7 becomes negative 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, we need to take common m from both of these two terms, or here we make the pair of cubic terms. So it will be written as m cubed minus 7 cubed, and here we make the linear terms are m minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we solve this problem with the help of nice cubic formula. You know about that if we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. According to this formula, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So here we just substitute the values of a and b into the below formula. So here when we apply this nice cubic formula to the first term, it will be written as our first factor is a minus b, the value of a is m minus the value of b is 7 into this is a square, the value of a is m plus ab, the value of a is m and b is 7 plus b square, and b is 7 square, and plus we have this factor is m minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as, here you see that m minus 7 be the common factor, so that we will be take common m minus 7 from here, and we get the remaining values are, so from here we get m square plus 7m plus the 7 square becomes 49, and when you take common this m minus 7, here we again get plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as m minus 7 times of m square plus 7m plus 49 plus 1 becomes 50, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write m minus 7 equals to 0, and the second case is we write m square plus 7m plus 50 equals to 0. So these are the two cases. So from first case we get the value of m is equals to 7, and this is the first real root of the given equation, and from here we need to write the roots from this equation. So this is the quadratic equation, and we know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is by applying the factorization technique, second one is by applying the quadratic formula, and the third one is by completing square method. But here we use the quadratic formula technique to find the roots of this equation. For this we need to write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 7, and c equals to 50. And we state the quadratic formula as m equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we need to substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and after substituting all the values it will becomes here m equals to minus b. The value of b is minus 7 plus minus square root of b square. B is 7 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 50, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is equals to 1. And further in the next step we have our m is equals to minus 7 plus minus square root of 7 square, and 7 square becomes 49 minus 4 times of 50 becomes here 200, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will becomes here our m is equals to minus 7 plus minus square root of 49 minus 200 becomes minus 151, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as m is equals to minus 7 plus minus, here we apply the square root on negative term and 151. So after applying this it will be written as 151 into iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. So finally we have there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and m is equals to 7 be the one real root of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.